so that the left wouldn't have gotten away with half of what they've gotten away with. Part of the reason they're able to is they distort what the Constitution says, like saying that somewhere in the Constitution is the right to kill your baby. Under the not mentioned right to privacy. Do you know that there is no right to privacy mentioned in the Constitution? Robert Bork was not confirmed to Supreme Court because he believed that. The right to privacy is an umbrella under which the Democrats get to corrupt anything that they can. But there is not a right to privacy mentioned. It's not a right that is enumerated in the Constitution. It's implied in the Fourth Amendment search and seizures, but it is not stated. Do you know how many people don't know that? You tell people there's no right to privacy in the Constitution, and they're going to argue with you until the sun sets. They're not going to believe you. They think the right to privacy is the first right. It's the quintessential American right. It's not mentioned. Hillsdale College has made it a requirement of every student to take at least one course on the Constitution as part of the graduation curriculum. Now, most students even take more than one. They become proficient at it. Now, there's a website where you can keep track of everything Hillsdale does, and you can even take free online, on-demand courses, the same ones taught on campus. And I mean free. No strings attached. Go to rushforhillsdale.com. It's that simple. rushforhillsdale.com. Okay. Sound bites, see, 27, 18, 19, and 27. Over the course of my entire life, I have been amazed at the politics of rich people advocating for tax increases. For the longest time, I didn't understand it. Why in the world are these people advocating to pay more? Because the old adage, the rich don't pay their fair share, is a crock. The top 1% in this country pay almost 40% of all income taxes, folks. That's not a bunch of people not paying their fair share. I don't care how you define fair. And then I finally figured it out. I figured it out. I looked at liberal rich people and I understood it. Led by the Kennedys. The Kennedys among the most filthy rich in this country. They never talked about that. They only talked about the poor. They talked about the hungry, the thirsty, the disadvantaged. They made themselves out to be the biggest champions. That's how they did it. They convinced everybody that they didn't want to be rich, that they were giving their money away. The Kennedys convinced everybody that all they cared about was the poor, the downtrodden, the hungry.